What is STD? That is a sexually transmitted disease. Infection passed from the person to another person through the sexual contact is called as sexually transmitted disease. They can be caused by the viruses, bacteria, or the parasite. STD are primarily transmitted to the vagina, anal, and the oral sex. The most common way of the STD are transmitted is through the sexual contact, including the vagina, anal, or the oral sex. This can involve contact with the infected blood, semen, vaginal fluid, or other body fluid. STD transmitted can be caused by bacteria. In the bacteria, that is gonorrhea, syphilis, and the chlamydia are the examples of the STDs that are caused by the bacteria. Second are the parasites, that is the trichomoniasis is the STD caused by the parasite. And third are the viruses. The STD caused by the viruses include human papilloma virus, the herpes simplex virus, and the human immunodeficiency virus, which causes AIDS. Sexually transmitted infection symptoms may appear a few days after exposure, but it may take years before you have any noticeable problem depending on the cause. The symptoms you see in the STI are the sores or bumps on the genitals or in the oral or rectal area, painful or burning urination, discharge from the penis, unusual or odorous vaginal discharge, unusual vaginal bleeding, pain during sex, sore, swollen lymph nodes, particularly in the groin, but sometimes more widespread, lower abdominal pain, fever, rash over the trunk, hand or feet. Factors that increase the risk of getting sexually transmitted disease or the infection is having unprotected sex, that is of course, vaginal or anal sex with the infected partner who isn't wearing a condom. Getting greatly increases the risk of getting an STD. Condoms made from the natural membrane aren't recommended because they are not effective at preventing some STDs. Not using condom properly or not using them each time also can increase risk. Oral sex may be less risky, but sexually transmitted infection can be still spread if a person doesn't use a condom or a dental dam. This is a thin, square piece of rubber made with a latex or silicone. Second is having sexual contact with many partners. The more people you have sexual activity with, the greater you will be at a risk. Third is having a history of the STI. Having one sexually transmitted infection makes it much easier for another STI to take hold. Fourth is being forced to engage in sexual activity. Fifth is misuse of alcohol or use of the recreational drugs. Substances misuse can inhibit your judgment, making you more willing to take part in the risky behavior. And sixth is injecting drugs. Sharing a needle while injecting drug can spread many serious infections. Example and HIV, hepatitis B and hepatitis C. Seventh is being young. People aged 15 to 24 report high level of the STD. So the more risk factor for the sexually transmitted infection are: if you are sexually active, you are at a risk of developing a sexually transmitted infection, sexually transmitted disease. You can also get an STI if you share personal items like needles that contain your blood, tattoos, piercing, sharing needles, using an intravenous drug. Most STI pass from person to person by the sexual contact, through body fluid or skin to skin contact, by touching the infected part of a person's body using the genital. Some STI like syphilis can spread while giving birth to the baby. So, can STI are curable? Yes, STI is curable. Some STI are curable. You can prevent the spread of STI by getting tested regularly if you are sexually active. What is the prevention for the STI? First is avoid sex or sexual activity. The most effective way to avoid STI is not to have sex. Second is Stay with the uninfected partner. Stay in a long-term relationship with both people have sex only with each other and neither partner is infected can be one way to avoid an STI. Third is wet and test. Avoid vaginal and anal sex or sexual activity with new partner until you have both been tested for sexually transmitted infection. Oral sex may be less likely, but STI can still spread if a person doesn't use a condom. This barrier prevents skin-to-skin contact between the oral and the genital mucous membrane. Second is getting vaccinated. Getting vaccinated before having sex can prevent certain type of the sexually transmitted infection. Vaccines are available caused by the human papilloma virus and hepatitis A and hepatitis B. Third is use condoms and dental dams constantly and correctly. Use a new latex or polyurethane condom or dental dam for each sex act, whether oral, vaginal or anal. Never use an oil-based lubricant such as petroleum jelly with a latex condom or dental dam. Also, these types of the barrier gives less protection for STIs involving exposed genital source such as HPV. No barrier forms of contraception such as birth control pills or intrauterine devices doesn't protect against STI. Don't drink alcohol excessively or use legal drugs. If you understood what is a sexually transmitted disease, please comment me in the comment section. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.